everybody, this is Natalia from outstandingcrochet.com. To check out my website, subscribe to this channel or follow me on Facebook or Instagram, please check out links under this video. Today I would like to show you how to start your project with chainless double crochet foundation, which is more stretchable than regular chain foundation. I use this stitch in my Sunny Sane off-shoulder pullover crochet pattern. This is the bottom of this pullover, and I needed my first round to be stretchable so it feels comfortable around the hips. Chainless foundation can be made with a number of different stitches, such as single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, but I will focus today on double crochet foundation. So let's begin. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. This counts as a foundation chain and your first double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook in the first chain under the front loop and under the strand which goes in the middle between the loops of the chain stitch. I call it the back reach. So when you insert a hook, there are 2 strands. Yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw yarn through 1 loop and hook, yarn over and draw it through 2 loops and hook, and repeat, yarn over and draw it through 2 loops and hook. Here we have 2 double crochets. To make the next one, yarn over and insert hook into the bottom of the previous stitch. Again in front loop and in the back reach. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 1 loop and hook, yarn over through 2 loops and hook, and again through 2 loops and hook. Let's repeat. Hook into the bottom of the previous stitch under these 2 strands, pull up a loop through 1 loop and hook, through 2, and again through 2. Let's repeat it a few more times. And that's it.